taken me an hour to get up here. Good evening and welcome to the Bunnet Stane. Hi, I'm Craig and I do landscape photography from around Scotland. So this is my subject for tonight, and I think I'm going to have to get a move on because I think the sun is about to go behind a big bank of cloud. So this is what I'm going for first. I'll brighten up so you can see the Bunnet Stane on the right hand side, the nice line of trees and then the sky in the background. And because I'm shooting into the sun, which isn't really the best, I have to do an HDR. So I'm just going to focus on the stone itself. Yep, focus on the stone and then take my shot. You can see there's a wee gap. I wonder if I can get down in there and shoot through the gap. I think that would be quite interesting. This is the composition that I'm going for. The framing of the stones, should I say, or boulders, rocks, whatever you want to call them, through to the landscape behind in about 1/3000th of a second. And I'll pull all the rest of the stone in that out in Lightroom. I think I'm going to see if I can use this rock as foreground going out that way. Typically the sun is went behind a big cloud, but I'm going to focus on that. I'll check and ensure that my manual focus is spot on. Yep. So I'm actually really liking this. I had to move my camera about because I didn't want to get the stone that's in the right hand side creeping in the scene. I didn't really want the wee bit that you can see. Wait, I'll clear it up. You can just see it at the left hand side. I don't know if I should go a bit closer or not. I actually quite like that. Take the boosted off. 1/25th of a second on the rock, HDR. And as you can see, the sun's went down behind that, but there is a little opening there. So I'm hoping the sun goes into that, but I'm going to have to wait until sunset, and it looks as if there's actually a little bit of rain coming. I think I'm just going to sit hang on the stones and wait about until some light comes. So according to the PhotoPills app, the sun should be setting right in front of me. Hoping the sun will just come, as you can see the light bit there, in this direction, and I can get my A1 shot. It's coming! The sun's coming! That's it, the sun is coming now. I'll need to get my act together and get some pictures taken. It's very dark on your screen just now, but I'll brighten it up so you can see what's actually going on. So, just as the same, rock on the right hand third, the tree line going towards there, as you can see, and then the sun coming through, and we never got soaked at all. This is what landscape photography is about. Out in nature, enjoying the sunset, getting the fresh air, getting excited about little things like sun coming through clouds. We're just going to ditch the tripod and run about like a heedless chicken just with my camera in my hand. So now you can see that the rock is starting to get some colour in it. F8 this time, there's the sun coming through, making it good. I have to say, this has been an absolutely stunning night. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate and taking pictures and talk to you at the same time. Is it bitterly cold? Yes. Are my hands freezing? Yes. But am I having a good time? Yes. I'm loving it. And I think I've got a shot that I really, really love. After failing to come up here the first time, I think waiting and coming back has been the right choice. I hope you liked this week's video and you like the images. Let me know which one is your favourite. If you want to see more Scotland adventures, then hit the subscribe button. That would be very much appreciated. And again, I hope you liked this video and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.